Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and locate accounts that you have muted on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And you want to scroll down underneath where it says what you see and select muted accounts. And then it should list out any accounts that have been muted, and you can select them and X mark next to them if you want to remove them from the muted account list. So you could basically unmute them as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.